Welcome to Management Funda channel. Subject: Logistic and Supply Chain Management. Subtopic: Inbound Logistic and Outbound Logistic. In inbound logistic means whatever you do inside your factory is called as inbound logistics. Right from a procurement of a raw material till finished good at your factory gate is called as inbound logistic, and from your factory gate till it reach to the customer it is called as outbound logistic management. Logistic management is the part of supply chain management that plan, implements and control the efficient and effective forward and reverse flow and storage of good and service and related information between the point of origin and the point of consumption in order to meet customer requirement. Logistic activities can be divided into two main categories: inbound and outbound logistic. The first category is mostly related to the transport, storage and delivery of goods coming into a business, while the latter focus on the same for goods going out of a business. Inbound logistic is one of the primary process of logistic, concentrating on purchasing and arranging the inbound movement of material, parts and or finished inventory from supplier to manufacturing or assembly plant, warehouses or retail stores. Outbound logistic is the process related to the storage and movement of a final product and the related information flow from the end of the production line to the end user. Inbound logistics, also known as upstream logistic. Inbound logistics concerns the activity which are related to sourcing, acquiring, storing and delivering the raw material and parts to the product or service department. It is a part and parcel of the operation for the firm involved in manufacturing business. In simple terms, inbound logistics is the fundamental activity which focus on buying and scheduling the inflow of material, tools and final good from supplier to the production unit, warehouse or retail store. All the activities related to the material movement till the dispatch of the product out of the factory gate are called as inbound logistic activity. Creation of value in the products depends upon availability of inputs on time. Making available these inputs on time at minimum cost is the essential of inbound logistic. Activities of a procurement performance cycle come under the scope of inbound logistic. They are transportation during procurement, operation, storage, handling and overall management of inventory of inputs. The various activities involved in inbound logistic are sourcing, order placement, transportation, receiving, storage and use issues. Now see, you can see in the diagram where you can see there is a sourcing, then order placement, vendor supply, transportation and receiving. These are the various activities involved in the inbound logistic. Inbound logistic include all those activities which are substantial to make goods available for operation process at the time of their need. It encompasses material handling, stock control, inventory control, warehousing, inspections and transport to facilitate the production or market distribution. Inbound logistic is also known as upstream logistic. It is concerned with procurement, performance cycle. Inbound logistic involve pre-production activities. It involves movement of material from supplier to the company. Now outbound logistic. Outbound logistic is also called as downstream logistic. Outbound logistic, as the name suggests, is the collection, storage and distribution of the final goods and related information flow from the manufacturing plant to the end user. It covers all those activities, that is selecting, organizing, transporting, etc., which are involved in the outflow of merchandise from seller to the buyer. In the activities in which the value added goods are to made available in the market for customer are called as outbound logistic activity. Success of the firm depend upon the supply of a product to the customer on time. Supplying the product of firm at marketplace at minimum cost is the essential of outbound logistics. Activity of distribution performance cycle come under the scope of outbound logistics. They are order management, transportation, warehousing, packaging, handling, etc. These are the various activities involved in outbound logistics. Okay. Customer order, you can see in the diagram, customer order, transmission, processing, selection, transportation and customer delivery. Okay, so these are the various activities involved in the outbound logistics. The major function included in the outbound logistics are, in the case of a tangible item, can be distribution of finished good, order processing, warehousing, material handling, vehicle scheduling, inspections and transport, etc. But for intangible ones like services, it is associated with setting for bringing customer to the service location. Now let's see the difference between inbound logistic and outbound logistic. The primary difference between inbound logistic and outbound logistic are given here. Inbound logistics refer to the buying, storage and dissemination of the incoming good to the production unit. On the contrary, outbound logistic implies the transmission, selection, packaging and transportation of final good to the consumer. Inbound logistic is all about sourcing and receiving of material and its management in the organization. Conversely, outbound logistic is mainly concerned with the customer service and distribution channels. The inbound logistic is oriented toward utilization of resource and raw material within the manufacturing or assembly plant. As against this, outbound logistic stresses on the outflow of finished good or product from the firm to the final consumer. Inbound logistic, the interaction takes place between the supplier and the company, unlike outbound logistic in which the interaction is between company and the ultimate consumer. Okay, I have divide this into two parts so that it is very easy for understanding, and it will be the revision of the whole inbound and outbound logistic. So first, meaning of inbound logistic. The movement of raw material and part from supplier to the manufacturing plant is known as inbound logistic. Outbound logistic, the outward movement of final goods from the company to the end user is known as outbound logistic. Inbound logistic related to material management and procurement. Outbound logistic related to customer service and channel of distribution. Inbound logistic focus on deployment of resources and raw material with the manufacturing plant. Outbound logistic focus on movement of finished good or product from the business to final customer. Inbound logistic interaction between supplier and the firm. Outbound logistic interaction is between firm and customer. Inbound logistic also known as upstream logistic. Outbound logistic also known as downstream logistic. Inbound logistic involves activities like pre-production logistic. Outbound logistic involves activities like post-production logistic. Inbound logistic is a movement of raw material from supplier to company. Outbound logistic is the movement of finished good from warehouse to customer. So we can conclude that logistic is an integral part of a supply chain management which result in the timely delivery of the goods and material to the final destination. It's aimed at providing right good at given time in desired quantity and condition at proper place and price. Inbound logistics includes all the activities that are concerned with order placement to the supplier. On the other hand, outbound logistics covers all those activities that involve dealing or trading in product produced by the company. Inbound and outbound logistics combines within the field of supply chain management as managers seek to increase the reliability and efficiency of distribution network while minimizing transport and storage cost. Understanding the difference and interconnection between inbound and outbound logistics can provide insight of developing a comprehensive supply chain strategy. So that's all in today's session with a lot of positive vibe. Signing off. For more management concepts, please subscribe to Management Funda's channel. Thank you.